So this problem, you got to find an equation for a line that's parallel to a given line. And they give you the line here. It's got to pass through a given point. It's got to go through that point right there. That's given. So here I've got y equals 2x minus 7 graphed, but that doesn't go through 3, 4. 3, 4 would be over 3, up 4 would be right here. So we want a line that goes through that point right there, but it needs to be parallel. So the idea is for it to be parallel, it has to have the same slope. So if I put a number in there, see how I have the same slope, but it doesn't go through 3, 4. I can put a 2 in there. Still, I'm not going through 3, 4, so I got to find the actual number that goes through. But what I do know is it has to have the same slope. So it still has to have that same y equals 2x plus something to give me a parallel line. And then that something is what locks it into that 3, 4 point. So with knowing that, so it's just this part right here we know it's the -7 that puts it through here. So it looks like it's something like that. So to know that, so here's what we do. We take what we know. We know it has to be y equals 2x plus something, right? Listen, instead of putting a question mark, let's just put a b there. Let's just put a b there. Now what we know about this is it has to go through 0.34. So since it has to go through that 0.34, it has to work in that equation. And when I mean has to work, it means that when I plug a 3 in for x and a y in for 4, I get the same number on both sides of the equality. It has to have an equality. So I just plug those numbers in. And I get 4 equals 2 times 3. Oh, well, I don't want to rewrite it again. There, 2 times 3 is 6 plus b. And then we subtract a 6 off. And it looks like I get a -2 equals b here. So that b value should have been a -2. So let's look in Desmos here and see if it's what we needed. -2. And we look right here, 3, 4. That's the point right there. Well, you get the idea. It's not snapping to grid, but yeah, we're right there on 3, 4.